This is a section of a mammary gland that is actively producing milk or lactating. So as you can see, this is a complicated type of gland. So based on the numerous tubules and ducts, it is classified based on its shape as compound tubuloalveolar, and the manner of secretion by which it secretes its product is through apocrine. As such, um, the secretory cells in its secretory units would present apical blebs. Okay, these are your secretory units, and this would be your milk secretions, and the basement membrane will be somewhere in here because this is the lumen, and these are the apical blebs of your secretory cells. So again, under 400x, it is easier to appreciate the apical blebs. Since there are apical blebs, this means that the manner of secretion is through apocrine type. So here, the apical blebs are more pronounced. And for sure, this type of gland is exocrine and multicellular. So the basement membranes are here, here, and here. And in between, this is already another type of tissue, which is connective tissue.